hope you're doing well. So as you can read from the title, this is a travel vlog and I hope you like it. If you wish to, you can subscribe to my channel, and without any further ado, let's get into it.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think you'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along?
So we are in Chandigarh right now, and we reached the hotel at around 8 p.m. And my parents, like, there's a mall nearby, so my parents went there just to like look around and hang out for a while. And I decided to stay in the hotel because I just wanted to relax. So now I'm gonna have my dinner, and I switched on the TV and Friends was going on, thankfully. So I'm just gonna watch Friends and have my dinner, and after that I'm just gonna rearrange my bag a bit because I took out some things and now it's all messed up, so I need to rearrange and like space things out for other things also. And then after that I'm just gonna sleep. So that's the plan for the night, and I'm gonna do that.
It's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together.
From here, I presume that you can see the whole of Shimla. Indian flag, Jai Hind. And there are a lot of people here. Thankfully, everyone's wearing a mask. And this is the church. There are some horses. And this is me. Hello. This is the temple. And we are walking.
If it rains all day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your
So today is day 2 at Shimla, and I'm all dressed up for the day. We had a breakfast, came back to our room and freshened up, and right now we'll be checking out of this hotel that we're currently living in, and in our walking distance there's another hotel. We'll be checking in there, leaving our luggage there, and then we are going to a temple, and the temple's name is Jakku Temple. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So like we have to walk up to a certain distance, and from there we'll take a ropeway. So we'll be going to the temple, and after we come back from the temple we'll be just relaxing for the rest of the afternoon, and then maybe in the evening we'll be going for a walk along the area that we're living in. So that's the plan for day 2.
heart. Doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day.
So this is the temple area. I'm a bit scared taking my phone on because there are many monkeys here. and they actually slap and take your things away. But still, I'm trying to forget. So this is the entire mandir area. There is this big Hanuman Ji ka murti over there, statue. Yes, very pretty. And this is the temple. So we are done with our temple darshan, and we even had our lunch over here, and now we're heading back.
Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains all day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. 'Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day.
Day 3 in Shimla. So today we are leaving for Theog. It's a town in Shimla, so we are going there. And right now we are just leaving our hotel room, and we have to travel by car till that town. And today's a super relaxed day, so I'm looking forward to that, like just going around in the resort and enjoying ourselves there. So day 3, let's go. Right now I'm literally walking on clouds. It's all dewy. You can see clouds around me, in front of me, behind me, and it's so pretty. It's absolutely beautiful. It's like a dream. It's so pretty.
I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter.
Today is day 4 in Shimla, and it's the last day. And right now we're not in Shimla. We are in this town which is next to Shimla, which is known as Kufri. And it is a cute place. Unlike the place that we are staying in, it's like situated in like some depth of a mountain. And you can see like these trees and clouds. We're surrounded by clouds, and then you can see these cute flowers. So pretty, the colors are so beautiful. And then there are apple trees, and then you can see cauliflower just lying around here and there. And apart from that, in this is a resort kind of place, so like we are living in these cute wooden cottages, and they have like a small attic and then a room, and it's really pretty and aesthetic, and perfect way to end this trip. So today we don't have any plans as such, because like as it's a small town and it's in middle of a mountain, so there's not much to explore. But yeah, you can see this pretty beautiful view, and we are just gonna relax and enjoy ourselves in the cottage, and just see how the rest of the day goes. So yeah, it's a good day, and I'll miss this place.
I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you can mention that in the comment section below. I'll see you soon. Until then, bye bye.